Hi everyone, Brenda Gustin here, and we are in week 12 in microbiology. We're going to be talking about vaccines. And you found me here at the introduction. The lecture study guide is on vaccines, and what you're going to notice is the textbook has a lot of information on immunology. And in particular, I'm just picking out the things that are relevant to vaccines. So you can try to wade through the book and figure out what to read, but frankly, it'd be a lot easier to watch the videos while you're working on your lecture study guide. So I highly recommend that even if you don't typically use the videos, that you do use the videos this week, because I think you're going to find that I emphasize things a little bit differently than they do in the book, and I might even say some things that aren't in the book. So do the lecture videos, fill out your lecture study guide, and then there's a lecture assignment, just like we've been doing all semester long. And then we have lab. There's a lab handout. We actually do an experiment. This is an experiment we do in the live class, and it's what I always call the hand washing experiment. And I put some actual data in there for you to analyze. So do the hand washing experiment, or do as much as you can with the handout. And there's no virtual labs with this one. There's just a lab quiz, and the lab quiz comes from the handout. So complete the handout, do the lab quiz, and you'll be done for the week. So week 12, we're really moving along. We've only got a couple more weeks left. I have had a couple people ask me about the final exam, because you've been hearing about final exam dates. And remember, if you look at the syllabus, it says the last week of class is week 15, and week 15 is the final exam. The final exam is due Thursday at noon. It's not due on Sunday. I'll remind you that many times. But just like all the other weeks, I'll be posting the final exam on the Friday before, the Friday of week 14, and then you'll have until Thursday at noon on week 15 to take the final exam. So it's just like all the other exams, that you have a big block of time in which you can take the exam. It doesn't have to just be at a certain time. So anyway, I look forward to hearing from some of you, or any questions or any thoughts. I'd be glad to entertain them. Nice to hear from you. Have a great week. Bye-bye.